Okay, so for this video we're going to be practicing Nosotros commands in Spanish. This is not an instructional video, so if you haven't yet seen my lesson on that, go ahead and search YouTube for Señor Bellis Nosotros, and you'll find my lesson on Nosotros commands. And what this is just to practice. So if you want to practice, what you can do is you can pause the video now and go ahead and write these Nosotros commands out, or if you want to, you could actually open up a document that's available as a link in the description of the video and print off the document, which happens to include a crossword puzzle along with these clues as well. So if you'd like to do a crossword puzzle just for the fun of it, you can do that. Otherwise, you can just do the practice part. So let's get to it here. Remember, with Nosotros commands, we want to think opposites when we're doing these. So votar is going to be votemos. Luchar will be luchemos. Conservar is going to be conservemos. Colaborar is going to be colaboremos. Hablar will be hablemos. Planear will be planeemos. Juntar, juntemos. Vertical, okay, come a few irregular ones down here. The yo form of embellecer is embellezco. We're going to use that to form our nosotros command. Embellezcamos. Educar, we got to keep in mind that k sound in educar. Eduquemos. Convivir is not an irregular one. Convivamos. Sembrar is a boot verb where the E changes to an IE, but we don't have to worry about that in the nosotros form as long as it's not an IR verb, and it is not, so sembremos. Donar is also regular. And I threw an extra 5 down here that are not in the crossword just because they're irregular, and I want to make sure that you know them. Seamos is the nosotros command for ser. Sepamos would be for saber. Now with a reflexive verb, we're going to have, let's ignore the say for just a second. Normally we'd have luchemos, and you know that in affirmative commands you attach the pronouns. So if it were normal, it would look like that. But anytime you attach the nos in a reflexive verb for a nosotros command, we're going to drop this s right here and have luchemonos with an accent mark over that e. Oops. Pedir is going to be pidamos. I should explain. Pedir is an IR verb. It's a sandal verb in the preterite, so that same sandal change it takes in the preterite, where the E changes to an I, will also take place in the nosotros command. And for empezar, happens to be a zar verb, because you guys hopefully know those cargars are irregularities of empecemos. And while it is a boot verb, it's not an IR verb, sandal verb, so we don't have to worry about that boot change. And I also want to point out something that's kind of funny. If I change this luchar, if I separated the luchemonos a little bit and put luchemonos, that'd be an instead command. That would mean fight monkeys. So luchemonos is let's fight, and luchemonos is fight monkeys. Anyway, that's it. There's a link in the document to a video on my Nosotros commands lesson if you haven't yet learned this. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.